Good morning, everyone. This is Dee from D&D Gardening, and welcome to our channel. Today I am going to harvest all of my carrots. I decided I'm going to just grab them all, and I'm just going to grab them all. Yeah, I'm going to grab them all. And I'm also going to harvest if there are any broccoli shoots. I'm going to harvest those as well. So I think it's time for me to kind of wind down some of the winter slash fall, or the fall slash winter veggies that I had planted. Woo! Go away. And get ready for spring. Again, I think I have spring fever because I'm ready for everything that I have out here to come up so I can get my spring stuff planted, even though it's not time, but I'm not going to plant it now. So you'll see me bouncing around the yard, taking care of carrots and harvesting some broccoli spears, because the onions, of course, I'm going to leave, and they seem to be actually doing quite well. I'm extremely surprised. So, of course, I'll leave the onions alone, but I think I'm going to harvest everything that I can harvest right now. So, stay tuned and stay with me. Okay, so this mic has been giving me the blues. Okay, I am done with cleaning the carrots and, cutting off the greenery at the top. And I did a little collard green harvest. It's not that much, but I did it, and I cut them back, way back. And I also cut a lot of the old broccoli leaves off as well. I'm a little worried about my cabbages though, because they're not as tight as I think they should be, and they're not as tight as they look. They look like they could be really, really, let me just show you. Okay, so here is, let me get out my shadow out, but do you see that in the center? It's not hard. I mean, it sounds like it's hard, but it's not hard. I can squeeze it. The same thing with this one, and I'm just blocking all the light. Okay, how can I get over here? Okay. The same thing with this one. The head is in here, and it's kind of tight, but it's not really tight. So those are the two main ones. I need to take these bottom leaves off because they have about had it. I mean, they've really had it. This little cabbage head, and I know I'm in the light, it's getting tight. But the others, that one, and that one is not. This cabbage over here has these little marks on it, and I think it's because of the freeze or the snow, but it's a little hard. Still a little squishy, but a little hard. So I think I'm gonna leave those alone. I don't think it's time to harvest them yet. This is what's left of the carrot bed. It's naked, with the exception of a few onions that I stuck in some empty spots. But they seem to be doing okay, except for the one I pulled and had to replant. But other than that, everything else is looking great. Those are my onion sets. They're doing good. My peas, poor things, they're not. Which is, I mean, it is what it is. Here's what's left of what I did to the greens. I cut them way back with that big giant leaf you see right there is broccoli. And I'm going to cut off a couple of those because those limbs are so flimsy that they could, they're just in the way. So I'm just going to cut those off. Let's see. I showed you over here. There's a broccoli head. I don't think I took it. Did I take it? Oh, here's some broccoli shoots I left. This one and this one. This one has some brown on it, so I don't think it's... Okay, as I was saying before the camera cut off, I don't think that broccoli head right there is edible because it's got that brown on it. But that's really it. I thought I had another broccoli over here that was trying to form a head, but maybe I didn't, or maybe I just harvested it and didn't realize it. But let me put you back on the tripod. Well, let me show you the harvest. But there they are. Another carrot harvest. And I want to show you two of them on some of the fattest, well, let me stop talking. Okay, so this carrot and this carrot are nice sized carrots. I mean, this is a fat one. This one is a nice one. But it looks like something had been chewing on it. Or maybe it just split. I don't know. But here and where you see this black spot right there, this is where I think something may have been chewing on it. Let me get you close up. Can you see that one? And here is this one. Hopefully you can see that. But that looks like something has been chewing on it to me. So I'm debating on if I'm going to cut around it or trash them. I don't know, because it's a clean, I lost my balance here for a second, a little dizzy. It's a clean split on both of them, but it could have just been trying to heal itself. I don't know. But anywho, that's my harvest. So thank you for joining me on this. I guess this is basically a garden maintenance video, because I had to go through and I still need to cut off those old cabbage leaves, and I'm going to do that off camera. But that's really the last thing that I need to do, other than take these carrots in the house and start getting ready to can them. So if this is your first time or your 5th time on our channel and watching one of our videos, please subscribe, or please consider subscribing. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a video. Always remember, grow your own, eat your own. And until the next video, take care. Bye.